Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of RC Weekly. Let's go ahead and dive in and start with Team Associated. Got 3 new kits for you guys. These are going to be in the 1/8 scale world of RC 4x4 buggies. So Team Associated RC8 B4.2 and RC8 B4.2 Euro version. So the standard RC8 B4.2 is a Nitro buggy that is set up for loose condition, loose dirt type tracks. And then the Euro version, also being Nitro, is set up for high grip surfaces. And then there's a third kit that is also announced, the RC8 B4.2E, which is the electric version of this buggy. Prices for the both Nitro kits are coming in at $719.99 and then $679 for the electrified kit on that. You can find those at Team Associated website. They are all available for pre-order if you're interested. Let's go ahead and get to the next update. And next up from CEN Racing, all the big YouTube channels, we're talking about this one today. This is the Reeper SC 1/10 scale short course truck, or kind of more looking like a desert pre-runner type truck or a trophy truck. Really interesting release in my opinion. It's getting a look at this guy from all the bigger channels, RC Driver, MCM. It's basically a short course truck, but it reminds me a lot of like a HPI short course truck where it's got the twin like rail chassis with all your electronics kind of like smushed in the middle. But I kind of think it looks like a really cool kit. I'm sure it has probably some shortcomings, but really interesting kit from them. But I gotta say, gosh, the body, man, out of the box, it's like a matte black, and then they give you a couple different sets of decals so you can pick which color scheme you want to go to. I think that was really cool, like really creative. Price on this guy coming in at $359. Looks like it's available for pre-order. It's a 4-wheel drive short course truck, 1/10 scale, and that was the other thing that got me, is that it's 1/10 scale. I feel like any of these trucks that you see that actually have like the roll cage and the driver figures, they're either usually a mini truck or they're like a 1/8 scale Mojave or bigger. So it's kind of cool to see that this is a 1/10 scale, which is where I pretty much live 90% of the time. But yeah, really interesting build. Comes brushless, pretty high powered, 359 4x4. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I think it's interesting, and anytime there's, like I say this, I feel like I say this every episode, anytime there's a new short course truck, sign me up. I'm interested. All right, last one here is going to be from Vanquish. We have a new H10 Optic brushless RTR. So basically a revised version of the H10 Optic's going to have a couple different updates. The main one being it's now has a 2-in-1 Hobby Wing Fusion brushless system in it, which is definitely an upgrade. But if you take a look at some of the bigger channels like Harley and the other ones that are out there that I'm sure you guys have heard of, they already got review videos of this model out there. And so there are some upgrades. They have changed the livery style. It is Sparko, which is really cool, but different style livery, mostly like white and gray. Bigger tires from what I saw. It's like 4.9-inch tires, 2.2-inch wheels. Along with a whole host of other different little upgrades. It's a really nice looking kit, to be honest, and looks like it's coming in at $499.99. I've seen one H10 Optic out in the wild doing some rock crawling, and I gotta say, like, super duper capable crawler, like really nice, and all the 3D printed stuff you can make for it, like, it's really cool. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about that one down in the comments, and we'll get to the next update. All right, welcome to another edition of Discontinued Watch. So we got 2 models to talk about today, guys, and just going to preface this and say we're speculating here. We don't know if this stuff is actually going away, like officially, but reading the tea leaves and just looking at what's out of stock and kind of what is hard to get right now, let's take a look and put some stuff on Discontinued Watch and see what happens. We'll follow it over the next few months. So shout out to the person that gave me the heads up on the Traxxas TRX4 High Trail editions. I appreciate you, man, for giving me a heads up in the comments. I can't remember which video that was, but it was sometime last week. Anyways, the High Trail Edition TRX4s that are out there, the 1/10 scales, it looks like they're all out of stock, and they're really like getting really hard to come by. Even on Amain Hobbies, a lot of them are out of stock. Even the TRX4 Sport High Trail is all out of stock too. And it's just interesting. We're going to put this on Discontinued Watch. We're going to see if this goes away over the next few months. One thing I can tell you is the K10 version, the Chevy K10 High Trail, that one actually is discontinued. It's no longer on Traxxas showroom site page. So usually when it disappears off of that, it actually is discontinued. So we do know for sure the K10 High Trail is discontinued, but the other ones like the F-150 and the Blazer High Trail, those ones are not, they're still on the site, but they're all out of stock. So just going to put that out there. We're going to keep an eye on it. And then the second one I want to talk about with you guys is the Arrma Mojave 6S. Shout out to the other person that gave me a heads up on this. So the Arrma Mojave 6S actually is discontinued. Says discontinued on Horizon Hobbies website. The good news is, though, if you're still interested in this model, you can still find it at Amain Hobbies for right now. But usually when a model like this pops up on Horizon Hobbies website and it shows discontinued, it's going away shortly after that. So bit of a bummer there, but thought you guys should know about it. Had a couple, one that we're keeping an eye on and speculating, and the other actually is discontinued. So that's it for this section. Let's go ahead and get to the next one. All right, just a quick update here from XRay. They're going to have the new NT1, which is a 110 scale Nitro touring car. No specifics on this car yet. It looks like it's going to get announced on May 29th, which is tomorrow for me time. But if you're interested in that car, it will be officially announced on May 29th. All right, next up, we got Proline, a couple new bodies we need to talk about. So first one here is a late model body, which is cool because they just released that late model Grom, like a couple months ago. So yeah, take a look at this guy. It looks like they're going to support the platform with the new body here. New clear body coming in at $36.99. Let's take a look at the compatibility real quick so we just see. Okay, yeah. So yeah, you can see that late model body. So it's compatible with that, and it looks like, I guess, the NASCARs too. So that's pretty cool. That's it for that body. Cool that they're supporting late model bodies out there. And then they got a new NASCAR body here. This one's the limited edition Elliott number 9 Napa body, pre-painted with the digital camo. Can't go wrong with that. $46.99. I love it. So anyways, that's going to be it for Proline. Let's go ahead and get to the sales. All right, let's save some cash. So first up, let's talk about this Losi Pro Moto Supermoto that is still on sale. This thing was initially announced for the Memorial Day sale last weekend, but it looks like it's going to remain on sale for a little while at least. Down to $450, definitely rock bottom price. One thing I'll say, I'll apologize on this. I thought this was not coupon code restricted at Amain because it didn't say it down in the lower section of the page. But apparently if you add it to cart with a coupon code, it is restricted. So keep that in mind, but still $450, not a bad price. Definitely rock bottom price for this particular model. This one also includes a battery and charger, so not too bad. One thing I want to note, this is like the only Supermoto that remains. The other one, from back in the day that did not have the battery and charger, that guy went on sale on Black Friday for $300, skyrocketed back to $690, which was probably like the go away price, and then promptly disappeared at the end of January, never to be seen again, at least at Amain Hobbies. So interesting, kind of interesting. I remember doing a Discontinued Watch episode on that guy, but I don't know about this one. This one is not 30% off, so I'm not gonna say it's on Discontinued Watch, but it's a pretty good discount nonetheless. All right, so let's go ahead and hop over to Horizon Hobbies real quick. So this is a brand new sale, just came up today. The Arrma Limitless RTR is not really like a sale, but they got like a bundle savings going on. So $159 bundle savings. Basically, if you buy this car, it's Arrma Limitless, which I'll be honest, I forgot how expensive this thing was. Apparently it's an $800 car. For $160, still throw in a couple of batteries here. So thought that was, yeah, two 4S batteries. So two 6800 milliamp 4S batteries come with it for an additional price of $160. But it'll save you $160 roughly. So if you're in the market for one of these Limitless RTRs, there's a combo savings here for you if you're interested. Pretty cool there. Let's go over to sales sections real quick. So on the sales section, there's nothing too much going on, except they did add this Losi Pro Moto accessory sale. Thumb through this, guys. There's some stuff in here. Like these riders are usually like $70 to $80. $10 right now. There's a bunch of stuff discounted, 80% off ish. Not bad if you got a Pro Moto, or if you're looking to pick one up and get some parts for it, like that Supermoto. You got some stuff here. One other thing I want to mention, I've been seeing a lot of Pro Moto like part sales like the last 6 months, like tons of stuff, wheels, aluminum parts on like deep discount. Has me a little worried. Just, I don't know what's going on with this thing. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going to shut up about that. All right, let's go to Tower Hobbies real quick. They have all the same stuff. They got the Pro Moto accessory sale, just like Horizon Hobbies, basically the same company. But what Horizon Hobbies doesn't have that Tower does is the bargain bin sale. So bunch of parts in here, guys, and not like unuseful parts. There's like parts for your Gorgon and your Quake in here. There were some motors earlier, which I don't know if they're still here. Anyways, let's go and hop over to Team Associated. Got a Memorial Day sale still going right now. And it's all BOGOs, guys. Like, these are still going. So they got the Hoons truck kits, which I'm familiar with those. Been on BOGO for now about a month. Good deal though, $2.99, get the second kit free. These are factory team kits, no electronics. And then they got this new one. So this is a new one I haven't talked about yet. They got the 6x6 kit here, American Custom semi truck. So this guy, I think if you click on it, you get, what is this, $379. And then included with it is this 14B kit, the Reflex. So that's kind of cool. Get another kit tapped in with that one. This one's been around for a little while, the Enduro Comp Fox kit with the Cattleman. I don't know if that's still popping up for people. Every time I click on it and I add it to cart, this Cattleman is never shows up. But I've heard other people it does show up for. I don't know. And then this is also a new one right here, BOGO. So the short wheelbase, short course trucks, and the Dakar Racer. So this guy is $379, I believe. And if you add it to cart, they'll throw in the Ryan Beat for free, which is a really nice looking little truck. It's a little LT short wheelbase type truck. It's basically built on a buggy chassis. This truck is pretty cool, honestly. Like I like this one. Actually, let's go take a look real quick. So let's take a look at the graph. So let's look for the Ryan Beat truck. So without the battery and charger, I mean, rock bottom price on that guy is $250. Usually it's a $350 truck just by itself. And then I think the Dakar, if we just go look at the dashboard real quick, the Dakar Racer is also, ooh, this one might be the combo. Let's find the non, because these don't come with batteries and chargers. Yeah, so it's usually rock bottom price $230. Usually it's a $350 car, gets down to $260, $250-ish. Man, I mean, for $379 to get both of those cars, that's not bad. I mean, that is definitely rock bottom price, like really good. I'll be honest, I'm really interested in this Ryan Beat one. I like that. That's a good looking truck. Okay, let's get out of this one. So not bad. That's a new addition that just popped up like within the last few days, like end of last week or something like that. And then they got the Apex 2 Z's here. That's been on the list for a little while now. Definitely a good deal. They got the RC8 B4.1, which is the older version of the Nitro car that I just talked about in an earlier segment. And then they still got the SR7 rollers and the almost ready to run rollers. And then they got this newer one down, or this new addition to the sale, the RC10 B6 4cc. Gotta say, really cool looking. Love the plastics on this guy. But that's gonna be it for the sales, guys. Let's go ahead and get scratching in. All right, welcome to what used to be my favorite section, scratching in. So let's start off with my dashboard here. So we are connected to Amain Hobbies, and I just ran this not that long ago. So this is the current list that I got right now. So the biggest discount we're going to see is the Kyosho MR04 rear-wheel drive Mini Z down to $166. That's about 17% off. Right after that, 8% off, there's a Traxxas Sledge that's on here. It's a red version for $735.99, 8% off. That's not too bad, actually. Then there's a Traxxas late model for $387.99, about 7.5% off. And then we got a Traxxas UDR on here for $775.99, 3% off. Not too bad. And then the last one here is a TRX6 RC hauler flatbed. So $678.99, about 3% off, scratching it. That's pretty much all there is to write home about for Amain Hobbies. We'll hop over to Tower Hobbies real quick. A lot of the same stuff, guys. Got the Arrma Furies on here for $189.99, not too bad. I got an Arrma Limitless for $359.99, along with the Axial SCX10 Coyote for $319.99. Those, all 5 of those have been on the list for quite a while. And then the last one here, we have a couple of SCX6 models. Got the Trail Honcho and the Jeep JLU, both $889.99. So that's going to be it for Scratching It, guys. Hope you guys got something out of this episode. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.